people. That's why we love working with the Smoking Speed crew. So, okay, Luke's distance, 294 and 7, 294 feet, 0.70. That's the last tractor in the class. We'll get your top 5 here in just a second.
And I'm on my last truck for the street gas class. Is going to be, second to last, Timothy Proctor.